Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Moralis login for crypto apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Moralis website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Moralis dashboard. Navigate to the authentication section in the menu. Choose the option for Web3 authentication. You will need to set up a new user authentication service. Select the blockchain you want to use, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Follow the prompts to configure your authentication settings. Once set up, copy the provided API key. Open your code editor or integrated development environment, IDE. Install the Moralis SDK in your project. Use a package manager like npm or yarn to run the installation command. Import the Moralis library into your project files. Initialize Moralis with your application ID and server URL. Add a login button to your web application interface. Link the button's on-click event to call the Moralis login function. When the user clicks the button, invoke the Moralis Web3.authenticate method. Handle the user session once authentication is successful. You can retrieve user data such as wallet address and username. Store this data securely for future interactions. Remember to add error handling for failed login attempts. Test the login functionality in your application. Make sure to check that user data is displayed correctly upon login. Ensure that the logout process is also seamless for users. Remember to review Moralis documentation for any updates or additional features. By following these steps, you can successfully implement user authentication in your crypto application using Moralis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.